I think we can all agree that Unity is a piece of shit. You know, you're ready to upload your first avatar, you drop it in, and then you see this atrocity. Pink textures everywhere. Now, when downloading avatars, the creator of the avatar will actually put in the description of Gumroad a specific shader for the avatar. For example, this is the Nardo Reagan avatar. And when you go to the official website where you can actually purchase this avatar and you scroll down, under these requirements and resources, they'll normally show a specific shader that you need to download in order to not have those pink shaders showing up. So in this case, you would need Pyomi. So go to GitHub or whatever link it tells you to, and go and download the shader and drag and drop it into your project. So like I said before, Pyomi was the one it needed. Drag and drop that into your project and let it import. All right, once you install the shader you need, if it didn't already change to the shader, click on your avatar, click on it again, go to all the shaders that are pink, and individually click on it and set it to the shader that it told you to set it to. Pyomi Tune. And as you can see, the textures will go back to normal. So just do that, just keep doing each material individually. And just like that, once you got all your shaders put on, your avatar is back to normal. However, if you weren't given a specific shader to put on your avatar and it's still pink, this is what I want you to do. Just click on your avatar, click on it again, go to each individual shader, and then press standard. And just like that, your avatar has textures again. Okay, so now that we've dealt with texture errors, let's move on to these errors. Oh boy, compilation errors. Yeah, compilation errors really suck. Reason being is because you can't clear them and you can't enter play mode until you've fixed all the errors. So in this case, I downloaded a package that messed with my Pyomi shaders. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually delete the package that conflicted with the shaders. So I basically imported this Combat Magic VFX, and this messed with the Pyomi shaders. So what you want to do is first delete the package that caused the errors. Now remove the package that it came in contact with. So it came in contact with Pyomi. And there's Pyomi right there. So what I want you to do is right click and delete that too. But let's say you're still getting errors and you have Pyomi underneath packages, you right click and delete is grayed out. Here's what I want you to do. Inside Creator Companion, I want you to go to Pyomi Toon Shader and I want you to remove it from the project. Just like that. Now once they're removed, you'll see that all the errors are gone. So next up, you're going to want to add the shader back. Find Pyomi, add it back. As long as you don't add the package that conflicted with this one, then you should be fine. And now it's back to normal and we don't have any errors anymore. So yeah, that's frankly my knowledge of how to get rid of those compilation errors. Now your errors may be different, but if it's an SDK error, then it's more than likely you have the wrong SDK version. So say if you're on the SDK version 3.5.4, then you would have to go to the latest one. Then once your SDKs are updated, then it should work just fine and you should see the VRChat SDK with show control panel. Let me know if your error is something different. Just let me know what it is in the comments and then I'll help you with it.